Way 85 discusses what happens when you add an acid to a base. Whenever you do this, it's called a neutralization reactions. Acids and bases actually neutralize each other to become pure water. The resulting products are water and the salt. Now you may be wondering, how do we figure out what the products are when given a specific acid or a base? Well, if you use table K, for example, in order to form water, we have to take the hydrogen from the acid and the OH from the base in table L, leaving the remaining metal-nonmetal combination. So the resulting salt that's formed is the metal from the base coupled with the nonmetal from the acid. And that's how you form or neutralize an acid and base together. So in short, neutralization is defined as acid plus base equals water plus salt. Water and salt will always be the products in a neutralization reaction. Which type of reaction occurs when hydrogen protons, aqueous, react with hydroxide? Remember that protons, those that release protons are called acids, and those that release hydroxide are called bases. So what happens when you add an acid and base? Well, that by definition is a neutralization reaction. So choice 4 is correct. What are the products when potassium hydroxide reacts with hydrochloric acid? If you don't know what these are, you can always resort to table K and table L, and these formulas will be provided to you in that chart. You should reason that potassium hydroxide has a formula of KOH, and hydrochloric acid has a formula of HCl. Well, in order to produce a neutralization reaction, we must produce water. So you should be able to eliminate choice 1 and 4 as possibilities. Now, what do we form? Well, we always form water and a salt. The salt is formed by taking the nonmetal from the acid and combining it with the metal from the base. So what do we form? We form potassium chloride and H from the hydrogen, 2O. H and OH combine to form H2O. So choice 3 is correct. Remember that the reaction of any acid and any base is always a neutralization reaction between a base and an acid. The products are always the salt and water. So when it comes to neutralization, please remember that acids and bases will always yield water and the salt. The salt is merely the nonmetal formed from the acid and the metal from the base. That is all a salt is. Thank you for watching, and hopefully this was helpful.